Stay tuned to see how I got this bomb twist out. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transform this old crusty wash and go into a beautiful colorful twist out using some products from none other than Gemini Naturals. So I'm going to start with the Curl Awaken Primer, which is an amazing leave-in conditioner. Definitely sets the tone for the color. And then I'll be going in with two colors. We're going to be using Purple Rain and Jordan. Not going to be doing much talking in this video, so I'm gonna just let you sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and watch me transform my hair. just in case you don't know, I do have a discount code for Gemini Naturals, so you can save some coins on these amazing products. I will leave my code in the description box, and I also put it right here on the screen, so make sure that you use it. Can we take a moment to get into the vibrancy of these colors, and not to mention the definition? And as you can see, there is a minimal transfer as I am manipulating my hair. Here are the final results. Absolutely loving this twist out with my Gemini Naturals Temporary Vegan Color Gel. Let me give you a quick 360. Loving, loving, loving the results. My hair is defined, the curls are popping, and the color is bomb. So again, we used Purple Rain and Jordan. Absolutely loving this color combo. Let me give you a close-up of these colors. Love it. Absolutely love it. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in my next video.